Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heavy-duty snaps is probably one of the most important components for any leather project, ensuring both the functionality and the visual appeal of your creations. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of heavy-duty snaps, exploring their various types, materials, and the key factors to consider when selecting the perfect ones for your leatherwork. Get ready to elevate your craftsmanship. Number 5. Metal Snap Fasteners Kit, 70 Sets, Gun Black. Introducing a heavy-duty snap fasteners kit. This kit is designed for various projects, offering a reliable fastening solution. It's perfect for leather crafts and sewing. Made from high-quality metal, this kit ensures durability and longevity. The material is strong and can withstand regular use. You can rely on it for your projects. Each snap has a 15 mm, 5/8" cap diameter. The size is ideal for many applications. It provides a secure hold while maintaining a neat appearance. The kit includes 70 sets of snap fasteners. Each set contains all the necessary components for easy installation. It provides ample supply for multiple projects. The fasteners come in a stylish gun black color. This color adds a sleek and modern touch to your creations. It complements a wide range of materials and designs. This kit is great for leather projects, purses, bags, clothes, and more. It's also suitable for sewing, crafting, and decorating fabric. It's a versatile choice for various needs. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to get started. It's perfect for various leather projects and fabric decorations. If you're working on purses, bags, or clothing, this is a great choice. It's a comprehensive solution for your crafting needs. What people say. I used the tools to re-rivet all of the remaining snaps and it worked perfectly. I then replaced the missing snaps and they matched the original snaps. They were the right size and color. The installation was easy and simple. The kit comes with a tool to punch holes into cloth or leather. I didn't need it, but it is nice to have. There is also a flaring tool and a metal anvil to use while riveting the snaps. Great snap set. Good strength and durability. Easy to use with snap setter. Number 4. Raydodo 15 mm Black Snap Fasteners Kit. This snap fastener kit is made of premium brass with high-level plating. It has a higher glossiness cap and is sturdy, not easily scratched or rusted, ensuring continuous use. The fasteners are designed for durability and a professional finish. The cap diameter is about 0.59 inches, or 15 mm, with a height of about 6 mm. Each set includes a cap, socket, stud, and post. It's suitable for light to medium fabric projects, providing a secure hold without damaging the material. The kit comes with detailed instructions, including clear pictures and words, making installation easy. Once you're familiar with the 4 components, you'll find it simple to install. Remember to avoid excessive force during installation to prevent deformation. This snap kit is perfect for various leather and clothing projects. Use it on jackets, jeans, belts, hats, pet clothes, bags, and DIY craft decorations. It's a versatile solution for repairs and creative endeavors. You'll receive 12 sets of 15 mm snap fasteners for install tools, instructions, and a storage box. The manufacturer guarantees quality, and they are ready to assist if you have any questions, ensuring your satisfaction with the product. What we like. The plating on this kit is top-notch, ensuring durability and a sleek look. It's designed for easy installation with clear instructions. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and looks great, this is the one. It's perfect for jackets, jeans, and bags. What people say. This compact kit is excellent and comes with all the essential specialty tools you need. Very easy to follow instructions, and the finished product looks professional and seems to be sturdy and well made. Used it to replace the snaps on my wallet and it could not have been much easier, even though I never did it before. Number 3. BetterJonny 15 mm Stainless Steel Snap Fastener. Introducing the BetterJonny Snap Fastener Set. These snaps are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they are rust-resistant and long-lasting. They are perfect for various applications. Each snap has a diameter of approximately 15 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. The size is ideal for both light and heavy-duty applications. It's a versatile choice for your needs. The set includes 60 sockets, 60 caps, 60 female snaps, and 60 male snaps, totaling 240 pieces. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your repair or DIY project. This set ensures you have enough components. These snaps are ideal for repairing canvas, tarpaulins, tents, and more. They are also suitable for garments like jackets and coats. The product offers a wide range of applications. Please note that installation tools are not included in this set. If you need snaps with tools, please refer to listing #B0B5DHD56V. The product itself is easy to use. What we like. Made of stainless steel, this kit offers superior rust resistance. It's ideal for harsh environments and marine applications. If you need something that can withstand the elements, this is the best choice. It's perfect for canvas, tarpaulins, and outdoor gear. What people say. Heavy-duty snaps for leather work well. These snaps are perfect for leather projects. The snaps are easy to install and hold securely. Number 2. Snap Fasteners Kit with Heavy-Duty Tool. Introducing a Snap Fasteners Kit designed for ease of use. This kit simplifies the process of installing snaps on various materials. It's a convenient solution for your fastening needs. The magnetic die holder prevents the snaps from falling off during installation. This feature ensures accurate placement and a secure hold. It's perfect for boat covers, tarps, and more. The heavy-duty tool kit is built with surface plating for anti-corrosion and rust-proof performance. This ensures the tool's durability and longevity. It's designed to withstand tough conditions. The adjustable pliers system provides better leverage for accurate snap installation. The jaws close fully and precisely, ensuring a tight and secure fit. This design minimizes the chance of loosening. This kit includes everything you need for daily use, all in a carrying bag. It comes with a snap button fastener, dies, snap buttons, and accessories. It's a comprehensive solution for all your snap needs. What we like. This kit features a magnetic design and adjustable pliers for easy installation. The tighter snap ensures that the fasteners won't fall off easily. If you want a secure and user-friendly option, this is the one for you. It's great for boat covers, upholstery, and leather. What people say. The alignment was perfect. It not only works to attach the snaps but also cuts the hole very cleanly. The tool is basically the same as the other, granted metal color instead of black, but all in all is the same tang yawl. But this has its own case, has the snaps in an organized case. It even has a tool to remove the cutouts that accumulate inside one of the dies. You'll know what I mean when you start using this thing, which I didn't think I needed until I started using it, so wow, again this product has what you need. Number 1. Hapden Snap Fastener Tool Kit with 100 snaps. This is a US patented and copyrighted design product. It's a comprehensive kit that allows you to complete all projects with one tool. You can save on hole punches with this kit. This snap tool comes with extra fasteners, including 100 sets of 4-color canvas snaps. It's designed to be a complete solution for your snap needs. Now you can install the snap button without removing the items. The kit is easier to carry, helping you repair various items anytime, anywhere. The kit's body is phosphate galvanized, making the surface more wear-resistant, stain-resistant, and harder. The dies on the head are heat-treated for added robustness. The adjustable design enables greater leverage. The vice grip system allows you to easily crimp the two pieces together. The canvas snaps work on materials up to 3 mm thick. If you need to install thicker materials, please check out other options. What we like. This kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use, saving you time and effort. The tool is built to last, with a robust and durable construction. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive solution, this is the one. It's perfect for repairing boat covers, canvas, and tarps. What people say. The instructions are easy to understand and the pieces fit together precisely. The magnets hold the various bases in place firmly so they don't move while punching a hole or attaching the fastener pieces. Really is heavy duty and high quality. I used this to replace rusted and broken snaps on expensive, heavy motorcycle gear, and it worked flawlessly. Tool is sturdy, and snaps are the quality of the original snaps. Snaps hold and look good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.